from justtoday.com. And today I'm going to be showing you
how to make a simple chili.
And so let's hit the kitchen.
First, in a small pot, put in a tablespoon of olive oil on low-medium heat. Place the tomato paste in the pot with a cup of organic bone broth. We are using the beef flavor by Gourmend. Did you know that Gourmand organic bone broth is made with exceptional ingredients, low sodium and gluten-free? From grass-fed beef raised by independent USA farmers and ranchers in the Midwest to beautiful fresh vegetables, this organic bone broth was made with just 10 organic ingredients. Tested and certified by Monash University, the creators of the low FODMAP diet and most trusted source for testing FODMAP levels in foods. If you're curious to understand what is a low FODMAP diet, simply visit gourmandfoods.com for more info and grab yourself a pack of bone broth using our coupon code to get 15% off your order. When you use our coupon code of JustToday15, you save 15%. And you are helping us by creating more videos like this one. So thank you in advance for your support by subscribing, watching, and placing an order with gourmandfoods.com. Let's get back to how to make simple chili. In a small pot, put in a tablespoon of olive oil in low-medium heat. Place the tomato paste into the pot with a cup of organic bone broth. Stir until you get this tomato sauce consistency. Then set it aside. In a separate pan, we are browning the grass-fed 80-20 ground beef with a half a cup of chopped onions along with 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. As the ground beef is fully flavored by the taco seasoning, we put in our 1 can of black beans, then a can of diced tomatoes.
And now we're putting in our tomato sauce.
Real quick, are you liking this cook? If so, please consider hitting the red subscribe button and the bell so that you can get notified for our future uploaded videos. Oh yeah, hit the like button and comment down below #8.
Hey!
Stir and pour in the rest of the bone broth.
Reduce heat in a simmer 15-20 minutes. Leave it covered to allow flavor to really develop.
Enjoy your simple chili made at home with your favorite toppings like shredded cheese and guacamole. Now, if you're curious to see how we made our homemade guacamole, check out this video.
And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video.